Welcome to Christ Redeemer Church. We're interviewing great, influential people the Lord has used over the years. This morning, we get an opportunity to interview another brother in the faith. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Good morning, brothers and sisters. I'm Pastor Tony Evans.
Tony Evans, thank you for being here this morning. When or where were you born?
Well, I was born in Baltimore, Maryland, September 8, 1949.
Wow, Baltimore, Maryland. I never knew you was from Baltimore.
Yes.
What did you believe about Christ?
Well, I believe that he's the only Son of God, and that he's the Son to the world, to save those who are lost, he's a Redeemer. And also, I also believe Virgin Mary, of course. I mean, he was born of Virgin birth. Also believe that without him, you know what I'm saying, I'm nothing. I mean, I'm broken. I need a Savior, so that's why I believe about him.
Yeah. Wow. That Christ is the Redeemer for his people, for the world. Anything else you want to share about yourself?
Well, I have my lovely wife, Lois Irene Evans. I've been married to her for 50 years. Yeah. Well, she passed, my late wife, I'm sorry. Lois Irene Evans, she passed. Also I have 4 beautiful children, Crystal, Anthony Jr., and also Jonathan. That word, child. Oh, sorry. Yes.
Priscilla Shar has done a lot of stuff. Priscilla, your
yes.
daughter.
Yes.
How can we find out more information about you?
Well, you can go to the website, Oak Cliff Fellowship Church, you can find that. You can give a bio of us. You can learn a lot more about me on that. But also, I'm author of a few books as well.
Oh, wow.
So,
share a couple of those books' names, if you don't mind.
Okay, so this
Well, I know one of the books called Kingdom Man that he did. We got great many resources in our library, the books that Tony Evans has written over the years. And Tony Evans has poured into and discipled so many other brothers in the faith, guys like Eric Mason and many guys. I think even Kirk Franklin was influenced by Dr. Tony Evans. And many other lists can go on and on and on and on.
Well,
what was one of the books that you?
One of the books I had No More Excuses. Also I had Theologic. I mean, you can count on. Also I had Kingdom Man.
Then also you did a study Bible as well. You wrote a study Bible, and so that's another. So thank you so much, Dr. Evans. If you guys want to find out more about Dr. Evans, please go online and check him out on Amazon and different other resources. Thank you guys so much.